Installation operation demo about reconstruction fixed mode position. Put patient on orthopedic traction bed in the supine position to monitor operation process with perspective machine. Reduction of fractures. Satisfaction of the fracture reduction in order to reduce the injured limb to 10 degree to 15 degree and fix it in the traction bed. Incision and insertion site. From the apex of greater trochanter to proximity, cut it horizontally for 5 to 6 centimeters in order to enter accurately. The site is the juncture of trochanter, major apexes first third and 2/3. Normal position is located in the apex of greater trochanter. Along the point of insertion, put a Phi 3.2 guide pin into 10 to 15 centimeters with the drill. With PA and LAT fluoroscopy, if position is correct, remove drill and keep the Phi 3.2 guide pin. Reaiming procedure. Set the countersink owl on Phi 3.2 guide pin. With the proper power left to right, rotating, push the hollow mouth opener to open the femoral pulp chamber. Then remove the countersink owl and Phi 3.2 guide pin. Insert the reduction, and then under the action of the perspective of the machine monitoring and manipulative reduction through the fracture point accurately. Insert ball guide pin with guide pin holder into it along tail center's hole of reduction until the ball head reaches the farthest end of pulp chamber. Then remove the guide pin holder and reduction. Install proximal rigid reamer with T-handler. Adjust the ball spike of proximal rigid reamer with SL range limited to 10 centimeters. With jacketed ball guide pin to reaming, and then remove proximal rigid reamer. Install soft reamer with electric drill. With jacketed ball guide pin to reaming clockwise. Soft reamer starts with Phi 8.5 millimeters and increases gradually. Finish reaming, remove soft reamer clockwise. Determine the length and diameter of intramedullary nailing. Put intramedullary nailing in front of the femoral. Keep proximal part flush with the apex of greater trochanter, and keep distal part distance from femoral condyle for 2 to 4 centimeters. The diameter of intramedullary nailing should be smaller than reaming diameter for 1.0 to 1.5 millimeters. Nail insertion. Fix prepared KTO femoral intramedullary nailing on holder with connecting screw rod. It should be tightened with connection screw wrench. Rotating ball guide pin into the nail slightly, and then insert it straightly. Install leg on holder when the resistance is larger. Send the nails into pop cavity. Remove leg and ball guide pin. Finally, monitor the nail's position and the condition of fracture placed with perspective machine. Proximal lock-in. Install the buttress rod on the holder and fix it with short screws. It should be tightened by large L wrench. Insert long outer sleeve and soft tissue operator anti-spin nail locking hole. Additionally, cut a long 0.5 cm incision at the junction of soft tissue separator and soft tissue. Insert a long outer thimble and soft tissue separator into bone cortex straightly. Remove soft tissue separator and insert phi 2.5 sleeve. And then rotating phi 2.5 guide pin clockwise. With PA and LTA fluoroscopy, if positioned is correct, to remove drill and phi 2.5 sleeve. Measure the length of the guide pin, which is in the bone with guide pin depth gauge. This length is the one that is embedded in prohibit whirling screw at its 5 mm length. In the same way, insert second phi 2.5 guide pin and measure the length. Remove distal phi 2.5 guide pin. And insert phi 6.4 sleeve. Adjust the drill bit on step drill until the length equal to length of the guide pin. And then tighten it with small L wrench. Insert phi 6.4 sleeve after drill installation. Drill roll with it clockwise. Over drilling, when the drill bit on step drill touch the phi 6.4 sleeve. Remove step drill and phi 6.4 sleeve. Connect a 4.0T screwdriver and prohibit whirling screw. Twist it in. Remove 4.0T screwdriver at long outer sleeve. In the same way, insert second prohibit whirling screw. Finally, monitor the placement status of prohibit whirling screw with PA and LAT fluoroscopy. Distal location. Install the distal rod and proximal rod, and according to the length of chosen intramedullary, now link the side corresponding scale. Corresponding up and down arrow guide bar distinguish left to right direction. Then make it fixed and tightened. Install distal targeting bracket with fixed large screws and tightened with large L wrench. Insert short outer sleeve and soft tissue separator into the position holes of distal targeting bracket, and for a long 0.5 cm incision just below it, insert until reach the cortical bone directly. Remove the soft tissue separator. Insert 5.2 sleeve and 5.2 pin to drill hole. When the surface of the cortical bone drilling to a concave point, remove 5.2 pin. Drill hole with 5.2 drill bit, which is installed by drill. Remove 5.2 drill bit. Insert T-spot facing and clean up the residue. Please make sure that T-spot facing has been arrived at the location platform. Remove T-spot facing at 5.2 sleeve. Insert T-positioning rod and install U-fixture block. Then position is completed. Distal locking. According to the way of distal location drilling, insert 4.0 sleeve and 4.0 pin along outer sleeve to drill firstly. Then use 4.0 drill bit to drill. Adjust the distance between drill bit of 4.0 drill bit and 4.0 sleeve to 1.0 cm when drilled through the first layer of bone and reach the contralateral canal wall. The purpose is to protect the contralateral soft tissue skin in order that it can continue to drill through the contralateral bone. Remove 4.0 drill bit and 4.0 sleeve and keep the sleeve close to the bone cortex. Insert guide depth gauge to measure the diameter of bone. Then screw the 4.5 locking screw into it with 3.5T screwdriver. Remove 3.5T screwdriver and 4.0 sleeve. Repeat the above steps to complete the second operation, that locking nail placed. Finally, with PA and LAT fluoroscopy to confirm the distal locking nail placed in the state. Fracture pressure. First locking proximal locking nails and then install slug. From the proximal to distal direction to the force, perspective the pressure effect, and when pressure is completed, fix distal locking nail. End caps placement. Remove all down placement devices and deduct the injured femur. Install suitable end caps on 4.0T hexagonal screwdriver. Screw along the intramedullary nail lid in the first counterclockwise and then clockwise. Do not over-tighten. Nail removal. Remove the distal locking nail with 3.5T screwdriver. 4.0T hexagonal screwdriver for the proximal locking nail and left one. 4.0T hexagonal screwdriver to remove the tail cap. Install pin extractor on the end of the intramedullary nail and make it be tightened securely. Install leg. Remove the remaining nail. Remove intramedullary nail from the distal to proximal direction.